This is a quick video to let's show some upgrades that I've done to my quadcopter for night flying with the LEDs. I already had the LEDs in the orientation aid, glowing nose cone. I already had those installed before, and I just wanted a way to be able to control the LEDs a little bit. So with doing a bit of research online, I found out you can use a brushed speed controller. For 12 volt LEDs, you can use a brushed speed controller as a dimmer. So I ordered a Turnigy 20 amp brush speed controller, which was around $5 from Hobby King, and I have that hooked up to my receiver with the battery running through the speed controller to my LEDs, and I'm using a Turnigy 9X radio with the firmware upgraded to Open 9X, which is a branch, if you will, of ER9X firmware. And the firmware allows you to do a lot of custom mixing. Most of it's way above my head, but just by doing a bit of reading online on the 9X forums, I was able to look at some examples of what other people had done with mixes, and I came up with a few things to control my night lights. So I have basically an on-off switch, and then on the 3-position switch, in the first position it's mixed into a trim pot, basically potentiometer on the radio, so I can use that as a manual dimming control. And then the next position on the 3-position switch, I have sort of a random pulsing mode, I guess you could call it. And the 3rd position is just a steady on-off pulse. The way the mixes are set up, you can control the delay speed up and down. So I do have a fast pulse up and then a slow dimming down to off and repeat. And this one looks really good. And random and manual dim. So that's where I've got to with it. Unfortunately, the weather's really crappy right now. It's been raining for the last 3 days, and it's really windy. So as soon as weather clears up, I'm going to take it out and give it a fly, try and shoot some video, and see how it goes. Thanks for watching.